Toyota just did something nobody expected. While Mercedes focused on luxury, Range Rover chased prestige, and Cadillac built bigger SUVs, Toyota quietly created a machine that could outperform them all. Meet the all-new 2027 Toyota Sequoia Prado, a breathtaking luxury SUV that blends legendary Land Cruiser toughness, Sequoia-sized comfort, futuristic hybrid performance, and first-class technology into one unstoppable package. This isn't just Toyota's next SUV. It could become the most complete luxury off-roader the world has ever seen. But is it really capable of challenging Mercedes GLS, Cadillac Escalade, BMW X7, Lexus LX, and even the mighty Range Rover? Stay with us, because what you're about to see might completely change the future of premium SUVs. The moment the 2027 Toyota Sequoia Prado appears, it immediately commands attention. Every line, every curve, and every detail has been designed to project confidence. Toyota hasn't simply refreshed an SUV, it has completely reinvented what a premium off-road flagship should look like. The front fascia is dominated by a massive three-dimensional grille, finished in gloss black with chrome accents that create a bold upscale presence. Slim matrix LED headlights stretch toward the fenders, connected by a futuristic illuminated light signature that gives the SUV a distinctive identity day or night. The sculpted hood, aggressive air intakes, and muscular bumper complete a design that looks ready to conquer both city streets and the harshest wilderness. Viewed from the side, the Sequoia Prado appears even more impressive. Its long wheelbase, wide stance, muscular wheel arches, and enormous 22-inch alloy wheels create proportions that rival some of the world's most expensive SUVs. Flush electronic door handles, satin chrome trim, premium roof rails, and a floating roof design give it a sophisticated appearance without sacrificing its rugged personality. At the rear, Toyota has created one of its most dramatic SUV designs ever. A full-width LED light bar stretches across the tailgate, while the illuminated Toyota emblem, sculpted tailgate, integrated spoiler, premium skid plate, and quad exhaust finishers complete a powerful, modern look. Simply put, this is the most futuristic Toyota SUV ever imagined. Open the doors, and the experience becomes even more extraordinary. The cabin feels less like an SUV, and more like the interior of a private jet. Premium quilted Napa leather wraps nearly every surface, while handcrafted wood, brushed aluminum, suede accents, and crystal inspired controls elevate the luxury experience beyond anything Toyota has previously offered. The dashboard is beautifully minimalistic, yet incredibly advanced. A massive curved panoramic display seamlessly combines the digital instrument cluster and infotainment system into one elegant screen. Every animation feels smooth, every menu responds instantly, and every function is intelligently organized. Artificial intelligence quietly works behind the scenes, learning your favorite routes, adjusting seat positions, climate settings, ambient lighting, and even recommending charging or fuel stops based on your driving habits. Wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, 5G connectivity, digital key access, over-the-air updates, augmented reality navigation, and a premium 24-speaker JBL surround sound system transform every drive into an unforgettable experience. But the true luxury begins in the second row. Executive captain's chairs offer heating, ventilation, massage functions, power reclining, extendable leg rests, individual touchscreens, folding work tables, wireless charging, and independent climate zones. Long journeys no longer feel like travel. They feel like first-class flights. Even third-row passengers receive generous legroom, panoramic glass roof views, USB-C charging ports, premium materials, and excellent comfort, something few competitors truly deliver. Then comes the performance. Toyota's next-generation hybrid engineering could become one of the biggest surprises in the SUV world. Imagine a twin, turbocharged V6, working alongside powerful electric motors to produce nearly 450 horsepower and over 650 lb-ft of torque. Acceleration becomes effortless, overtaking feels instantaneous. Yet, despite its incredible performance, fuel efficiency remains remarkably impressive thanks to Toyota's intelligent hybrid technology. A future plug-in hybrid version could even provide around 60 miles of pure electric driving, allowing most daily commutes to happen without consuming a single drop of fuel. However, performance means nothing if an SUV cannot perform when the pavement ends. Fortunately, that's where Toyota's legendary DNA shines brightest. The Sequoia Prado features Toyota's latest intelligent four-wheel drive system, electronic locking differentials, multimeter, lane select, crawl control, adaptive air suspension, hill descent control, terrain cameras, and multiple drive modes designed specifically for snow, sand, mud, rocks, and deep gravel. Whether climbing steep mountain trails, crossing rivers, exploring deserts, or towing heavy trailers, this SUV remains calm, composed, and incredibly capable. Unlike many luxury SUVs built primarily for city life, the Sequoia Prado never forgets its adventurous heritage. Ride comfort is equally impressive. Adaptive suspension constantly scans the road ahead, adjusting damping hundreds of times every second. Rough roads become almost invisible, while highway cruising feels exceptionally quiet and refined. Acoustic glass, active noise cancellation, improved aerodynamics, and premium sound insulation create a cabin that feels almost silent, even at freeway speeds. Technology continues pushing boundaries. Drivers receive a massive head-up display, crystal clear 360-degree cameras, intelligent parking assistance, biometric driver recognition, facial authentication, gesture controls, and an AI-powered virtual assistant capable of understanding natural conversation. Safety reaches an entirely new level through Toyota Safety Sense. Adaptive cruise control, lane centering assist, automatic emergency braking, blinds, spot intervention, rear cross-traffic braking, driver attention monitoring, emergency evasive steering, trailer stability control, and semi-autonomous highway driving combine to create one of Toyota's safest vehicles ever imagined. Practicality remains outstanding. 3 spacious seating rows comfortably accommodate up to 8 passengers, while folding rear seats create enormous cargo space for luggage, bicycles, camping equipment, furniture, or adventure gear. Every storage compartment has been carefully designed to maximize convenience during everyday life. Perhaps the biggest surprise is value. If Toyota introduces the Sequoia Prado between $75,000 and $95,000, it could offer luxury approaching six-figure European SUVs while maintaining Toyota's legendary reliability, lower maintenance costs, and outstanding resale value. That's exactly what makes this SUV so dangerous for its rivals. It doesn't simply compete with the Cadillac Escalade. It doesn't simply challenge the Mercedes GLS. It doesn't simply rival the BMW X7 or Range Rover. It challenges them all at once. The 2027 Toyota Sequoia Prado isn't merely another concept SUV. It's Toyota's vision of the future, a future where luxury, intelligence, reliability, efficiency, family comfort, and true off-road capability finally exist together in one extraordinary vehicle. If Toyota brings this vision to reality, the luxury SUV market may never be the same again. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more exclusive future car reviews, luxury SUVs, and concept vehicles. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.
Everything is at your fingertips. Control the lighting and climate easily. This is how you travel in style.